What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chief Rock, and I'm back again with another sneaker unboxing and review. Let's go ahead and get into the review of the Jordan 3 Fire Red Denim. The Japanese exclusive ones. Not just the regular ones that everybody getting in the States, but the Japanese exclusives. Let me start off by showing you guys the box. On top of the box, you got your red Jumpman. On the side, you got a navy bluish, grayish elephant print that accents the box very nicely. And then other than that, it's just all around white. And the sizing label reads Air Jordan 3 Retro SE-T, white, fire red, black. And I got a size 12. I actually got two size 12s. Let's get into the sneaker. Open this up. You have your elephant print tissue paper, which is pretty much the same color as the outside of the box. We'll peel that back. You got your white tissue paper, and then inside you have a pair of the Jordan 3 denims. Right here, you have your Jordan 3 Fire Red Denim Japanese exclusives. Now, what makes this sneaker so dope and so different from the iteration that's going to be released in the rest of the world is this small detail on the heel right here. Instead of it having a traditional Nike Air heel, it has the Nike on the back in Japanese characters, which is an extremely dope detail. They didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it because I just so happen to be in Japan and I just so happen to be able to pick a couple pairs up. I got two pair. I'm gonna rock one pair, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other pair. I might stock it, just save it for later. I might put it online, use it for some trade bait because I do want those Jordan 1 metallics, or I might go ahead and flip them and use that money towards something else that I want. But I do have two pair, and if you're a size 12 and you got something that you want to get off your chest, you want something to trade for them, let me know. Put it down in the comments, or get my IG out of the comments and go ahead and add me on there and shoot me a message. I'm with it. I'm always down to trade. Without further ado, let me go ahead and get into the actual breakdown of this sneaker. This here is the Jordan 3 Fire Red Denim Japanese exclusive. And we'll start off with the outsole of the sneaker. It is your standard Jordan 3 outsole with a red Nike embossed on the heel and a black panel for the ball of your foot. Come up to the midsole. You can see your air bubble right here, standard. No crazy colors in there. It's just a white air bubble and all around white midsole. Come up to the main body of the sneaker, and I can explain why this sneaker has denim in the name. So all of the elephant print panels that you see on this sneaker are actually made out of denim. The color on it is like a smoky gray colorway. Other than that, you have the toe box of the sneaker, and the main cage of the entire sneaker is just an all-around leather. It does not come with extra shoestrings. You just get your standard white laces. On the tongue, you have your red Jumpman logo. On the back of the tongue, there's nothing but the sizing tag. On the inside of the sneaker, it has a Jumpman and it says CO.JP. And then we get to the main point of the sneaker, which makes this sneaker a Japanese exclusive. So on the heel tab, you have your clear panel right here, and then you have your Nike Air logo, but instead of having the regular Nike Air logo, this one has Japanese lettering, which makes this shoe exclusive to Japan. And if you can also see, there is an embossed Jordan emblem that goes over the top of the Nike Air logo. And that is the Jordan 3 Fire Red Denim. So now that that's done and you got an in-depth look of the Fire Red Denim Jordan 3's Japanese exclusives, it's an extremely long name, let me go ahead and get up out of here. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can see me buy more sneakers in the future. That's what you came here for in the first place, and it ain't gonna hurt you to go ahead and click that button, but it damn sure gonna help me, so I'd appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys for viewing. I'm Chief Rocka, and I'm out. Peace.